Okay, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add WordPress to your website and create a blog or members area. So why would you want to create a members area as opposed to having downloadable content? Well, the reason we like members areas is because your members can log in, they can look at all your content, they can communicate with each other through comments and forums. There's a higher perceived value to your content than just having a download. And before the download days, if you wanted to create content, you'd have to actually, create an audio, have somebody edit it, put it on a CD, put a video on a DVD, and you'd have to mail it out to someone. Those days are over. However, just having someone being able to download your content, while convenient, isn't always the most secure way to deliver your content, and it's certainly not the highest perceived value. It's not the sexiest way to do it either. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a members area. But the first step to doing that is I need to show you how to add WordPress to your blog, because I'm going to show you 3 different ways to create a members area. One of them is going to involve WordPress, and even if you don't use this way to create your members area, you'll still have a blog that you can go on and use to promote your product, which we'll talk more about in the marketing your product section. So it's pretty simple. From your control panel, from your cPanel and your hosting, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and check out this button here, Fantastico Deluxe. Click that. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to come down here to WordPress. From here, we're going to say New Installation. The website that we want to install to. So I'm going to choose my fasttrafficfortune.com website. But instead of installing it right to this page, which I'm going to be using as my sales page, so when you go to fasttrafficfortune.com, you see my sales letter or my sales video, I'm going to install it in a new directory. So I'm going to create a new directory called Members. So now it's going to read fasttrafficfortune.com/members. So then I'll come down here, I'll create some admin access data. And then I'll come down here and I'll create my password. And then your admin access is going to be sent to your email address. Okay? So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and put the email in that you want it to be sent to, and then you'll click Install WordPress. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'll see you here in a second. So here it says Install WordPress. Okay, the new database has been created, so this does this automatically for you. Normally you would have to do this manually. It's a little bit more challenging, but this Fantastico Deluxe plugin automatically installs this to your website. So we come down here, click Finished Installation. Okay, so before we put our email address in, and that's actually going to be the main email of the admin, for here we're actually going to put the email in that we want our installation breakdown sent to. That'll have our password, all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and send that to myself, and then I'll see you in a second. Okay, so now we've got our website set up, so let's go check it out. It's going to be fasttrafficfortune.com/members. Awesome. Okay. So here we have our basic WordPress theme that we're going to be able to go in and edit and change, and I'll show you exactly how to do that as well. So what you're going to do is anytime you want to go edit this, you're going to go to wp/admin. That's going to take you to the login screen. So our username was admin, and our password was admin1. We'll go ahead and log in here. Okay, so welcome to your WordPress dashboard, and you should also get that information to your admin. So anytime you want to go back and look at the site, you can click here. It'll take you right back to the site. Okay, so if you'll notice here, there's a couple things you want to go ahead and just delete right away. First is this sample page. It's just a sample of a page, basically. So you may want to come in, and this is specifically for blog purposes. If you're going to make a blog out of this, then this is what you would do. If you're going to make a members area out of this, then I'll show you how to do that as well. But basically, go back here and go to pages, sample page. What you can do is you can edit this. You can change this to about. Let's say this is a blog for your company. Then you could just delete all this and write, a quick blurb about your company. Okay. And you can create as many pages as you want to go across the top like that. So let's take a look now. So now it's about, doesn't say sample. This is your first post that's on here. Okay. You can go ahead and delete that as well. Come here to posts. Just trash this. We don't need that. Okay. So nothing's found right now, but this is your basic setup. So the first thing you can do is you can go in here and add themes. Okay, so you can come in, you can go to appearance, and you can add all kinds of themes. The 2010 1.3 by WordPress theme is the current theme. There's a ton of free themes available out there for you to create your blog. Now, to create a members area, you're going to need to purchase the theme, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you how to purchase the plugin and the theme that you'll need. But for just blogging purposes, this is all you need. And we'll get more into this in the marketing section. I just kind of wanted to get you started so you'll be ready to hit the ground running when we start talking about marketing your product. Okay, so now we've got our blog set up. Okay, everything's basic, ready to run, ready for us to optimize. So we're not really going to get much into blogs in this training. It's more of a search engine optimization thing. It's a little outside of the scope for what we're talking about here. But if you are going to use one of the options I'm going to show you for creating your members area, you will need WordPress. So go ahead and set this up, and then we will see you in the next training video where I'm going to break down the 3 best ways we found to create your members areas. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.